Oh, oh. Yo, what is up, guys? It's Nick. I'm in my backyard, and you know I have a pool. You may have seen it in various fidget spinner videos. I did make those, but guys, my neighbors just check this out. That dirt pile is calling my name. Check this out. This is so cool. There's children. Guys, wait. This is really bad. There's little kids in that window, which means people live there, which means I don't know how I'm gonna do flips on their dirt pile when they live in there. Also, there's a lot of rocks. That doesn't make me feel any more comfortable. This is dope. If you ever wonder what it looks like for a pool being built, this is insane. This pile is huge. That's taller than me. I'm gonna have to be super stealthy. Oh shoot. How am I gonna flip on it if I can't even touch it? Oh shoot. Oh, I don't think you saw that, but I almost like just fell backwards off the fence into the lake. Good job, Nick. Houston, we have a problem.
What?
There's little kids that live in the house. Like, people are living in that house that they're building the pool in already.
Not really.
Yeah, but they're like staring out the back door. How am I gonna do it with them there?
Just go.
All right, hand me that. Let's go.
I'm gonna fall.
No, you're not. That's why I'm the one doing the flips. Put these shoes on because I don't want to get my feet stepped on rocks, but also they don't match, but whatever. How am I gonna flip? It's not solid. Could jump off here to there, but then it goes down the hill too. Here to exactly where you're standing. But then it would hit me.
What would hit you?
I would hit myself because I'm standing here.
You're smart.
I'm funny. Okay. Yeah. Should I just get on top of it first?
Yes, get on top of it first.
My poor shoes are done already.
Just go.
I gotta be fast too.
Or else you're gonna sink.
That's so cool. Yo, that's right here.
And die?
Do I jump off first? I can flip off that easy. Oh.
Oh my god.
Let's go! Oh, this is scarier than I thought.
Ooh, okay.
Hey, yes!
Oh my god! What is wrong with you?
People are gonna be mad at me, bro. What other flip do I do off this? This is huge.
Can you front flip?
Yeah. Yeah.
Later.
Oh, that's insane.
Amazing. Whoa, whoa.
Shut up. Can I flip into it for real?
If you want.
Yes! Ah.
Oh, that was lit. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god.
I really want to flip up here. It's solid.
Oh man. Hey, you did it.
Yeah. Oh, I got an idea.
A wall run?
Oh, they go in. Oh, they were all bad. Even the staff.
That looked epic though.
Oh, it's really loud. Do it again.
Okay. Oh my god, what are you even doing now?
Dude, this is crazy. Add some more flair.
What the freak? There's so much dirt in my eyes.
Oh my god.
Oh, bruh.
No, I see the dirt on the camera.
What is wrong with you?
I need content.
Oh my god.
I don't think there's much else to do. That's not even happening. When you're ready.
I'm ready. Make sure you jump back a lot.
You guys, you have to hit the like button for this. I don't care if you're on Instagram, YouTube. Don't even know why I said Instagram. It's on YouTube. I'm backflipping off this, and it's not that stable. Oh, I'm gonna land this. Oh my god, this is scary. Oh my!
Nailed that.
Oh my!
Alright. But Nick. Oh my god.
That's insane. I'm gonna regret this so much. Wait, I'm gonna jump up to it. I'm gonna roll down it.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm gonna roll down it. You guys, if you didn't smash the like button for the backflip, I'm rolling down this, bro. Like, you have to now. There's a rock. There's a lot of rocks. I don't know if this is a good idea.
It's Eric.
Oh, throw it on the floor then, bro. What the heck? I'm about to roll down. No, yeah, okay. In 3, 2. How do I even? 1.
Ah! Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. No way. Bro. Oh, I hope I didn't hit any fish. That would be mean. Let's get a little more hype real quick.
Hold on, I need to get my phone. Woo! That was clean.
That was clean.
What's a keen?
Bro.
You just said keen.
Really? You gotta bully me. Hit this. Let's freaking go.
But you're gonna get your camera dirty.
Alright, last one. That said last one.
That you said that like.
I know. Last one for sure.
Yeah.
Dude, this is crazy.
Jesus Christ.
I can't break it. Yo. Oh my god. My foot was right here. Look at this rock.
Jeez.
Right. Oh, it's not a rock. This. Dude. You guys gotta smash the like, bro.
Oh my god.
Oh, let's go, bro. Let's get out of here.
Last one.
What? Yeah, last one.
All right, you said that like 5 times ago.
To my pool.
Okay.
All right, we're going into the Nick pool in 3.
Wait. Let me get a cool angle again. It's lit when it's like this.
In 3, 2, 1. It's kind of cold. That was the latest twisting ever. That was cool. Backflip. That was my coolest flip all day. Mr. Coconut! Oh, they do float.
Oh my god.
Oh, my feet. Are they ready?
Ah! You got me soaking wet.
You're still hurt too. Oh, you got the camera away? Here, stop it.
I got the camera right. Boy. Oh my god.
Oh, it's so clean. Guys, tell me how the scariest thing for me today was when John said my camera was wet. Not when I flipped onto a huge pile of dirt, flipped off it, did a backflip off it, almost got hit by John's javelin thing, which you didn't even see on the camera. But, like, why is this the scariest thing? See, I talk too much, right? I'm rambling on. Like, I should just say it was the scariest, but I'm saying it's the scariest, and this and that. Yes, I stepped on the slug. Like, barely, right? Like, say this coconut is the slug. I went like this by accident, and then it freaked me out because it's really gooey. It's really gooey. I slipped on the slug. Ew. Look at my socks. This is from the dirt pile. Oh my god, my poor shoes. What the heck? Well, I'll keep them like this because I'm probably gonna go back to the dirt pile. It was actually really fun. The floor is lava, I'll push you in the pool.
Stop. Oh my god.
I'm kidding. I have to go back to my origins. Fidget spinners and floor is lava. Get it? Get it?
Oh my god.
Am I still in 60 FPS? I hope not. Guys, I'm pretty sure these clothes are still like 30% dirt, and I shook them so much. But now is about the point where I insert a couple funny clips from a vlog I tried to make like a really long time ago, like 2 weeks ago. It didn't work out. Made me like think I shouldn't vlog, but then I'm back, so you know. I talk too much. Just watch it. Is anyone ever going to fix this? Hello? Can someone fix this? Ew, it's so dirty in here. Up. What I gotta do to get a message across to people, bro? Someone fix this! They're gonna come now, I promise. I got more puppets. Eric! Wait, I gotta show you something. Look. Come look at this. Come look at this thing. Ready? That was kind of a double fail because you can't hear them because for some reason whenever I hear them, in real life they're like, bah! But in the camera's like, and I didn't really film Eric too much. I was like this, and he was over there. So I failed, but you know, we're moving on. We're moving on. I locked John outside. I locked him outside.
I'm going home, okay?
Your stuff's in here. Your skateboard.
But just let me in.
Okay. Back to me. Make sure you guys leave a like on this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I mean, I climbed a huge sand pile for you. That's something, like, I don't normally do that. I wouldn't normally do that. So make sure you leave a like, subscribe. Tell me if you thought this video was cool, if I should do more flipping videos. If you're already subscribed, hit that post notifications bell. If you already got all that, or you want to do this too, get some friends, have them subscribe. That would be super helpful for me. Make sure you press that notification bell. I will see you guys in the next video. Let's hit that dope outro. Drill it! Why did I say drill it? That's why. Drill them. Oh.
Shooting stars didn't even get to